Hi, this is your financial advisor, Mark Engberg, and welcome to my August month-end webcast. As we wrap up summer, the stock market for the month of August has felt like an amusement park roller coaster. Sometimes the dips and curves make us feel queasy, but the price of enjoying competitive long-term investment results is to endure the occasional bouts of stomach-turning declines. Predicting the precise timing of market corrections is impossible, and a 10 to 15% intra-year correction is not only normal, but it's probably overdue. The last significant correction was nearly 4 years ago, and yet the market, as measured by the S&P 500, finished the year flat. It may be a rough ride at this time, but there are many reasons to stay invested. There are three main drivers of stock market performance: fundamentals, valuation, and psychology. Fundamentals are solid: low unemployment, improving housing market, record auto sales, low inflation, cheap energy, low interest rates, and decent corporate earnings. Companies are flush with cash and are paying dividends and buying back their stock. We're not in a recession. The second quarter U.S. GDP came in at a 3.7% annual growth rate. An interest rate hike will not end the world. There is massive excess reserves in the U.S. banking system, and moving the overnight lending rate from a quarter point to a half a point or even 1 percentage point is not going to cause the money supply to dry up. Yes, China is slowing, but they're not going to collapse. The Chinese yuan was devalued by 2%. So what? We buy from China, and it only makes their products even cheaper. U.S. exports to China make up less than 1% of U.S. GDP. We do not see a looming global recession. After the recent market declines, valuations seem more in line, or they're not stretched. Now, investor psychology is hard to predict or understand, and our best advice is to ignore the short-term predictions of the TV pundits, focus on the fundamentals, and the long-term earnings power of your investments. Stay in the game, understand the dips and curves, and enjoy the balance of your summer. Feel free to call anytime with questions or concerns, or if there are any planning issues that we can help with. That's why we're here. And as always, thank you very much for allowing us to serve you.